Hello, my name is Luisa. I'm 21 years old and I live in Germany. And with this video I want to show you a bit of my life. I'm on the way to my babysitting kid. He's called Tim. Now I want to show you. And now I'm going to show you how we play soccer. Zu fest? Oder
Gut
geht's?
so.
Gut so. I want to become an au pair because I really love kids. I like to spend my time with them. I'm very interested in other cultures and I wanted to improve my English skills. And now I'm going to show you my family. This is my mother Andrea.
Hello.
And my sister Annika. Annika is going to tell you why I'm the best for you.
I think she's the best for the job because she's very reliable, flexible, responsible and always in a good mood. And as long as I can remember, it was her dream to go as an au pair to America.
Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you enjoyed my video. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Bye!